Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to convert your any normal photo into this kind of mirror picture, so to create this type of picture you don't need a mirror selfie. Any picture which have your face you can convert such image into this kind of image. So how to do that I will show you in my mobile screen. So prompt, you can go to my Telegram channel High Tech Talk and you can see how the image is generated, and you can get the prompt from here, or else you can visit my Instagram profile and you can comment in this first post as a prompt. I will DM you instantly. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.